Welcome back to the channel, RV Heaven. Today, we're diving deep into a travel trailer that's turning heads and redefining compact luxury on the road. The brand new 2026 Eriba Novaline 495, proudly called the Space Miracle. If you're looking for that perfect balance between elegance, space efficiency, and family comfort, stay tuned. Because this German-engineered beauty might just be the one for your next adventure. Eriba, a renowned name in European RV design for nearly 70 years, has a long-standing reputation for delivering quality, durability, and smart design. They're no strangers to the phrase, perfection down to the last detail. And for their 2026 lineup, they've introduced not one, but two new series, the Novaline and the Feeling. Today, we put the spotlight on the Novaline 495, which Eriba calls the Space Miracle that families will truly love. Introduction to Eriba and the Novaline. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, who exactly is Eriba? For almost 7 decades, this German specialist has crafted travel trailers well known for compactness without compromise. Lightweight, towable, and packed with function. Their new Novaline series continues this legacy by offering full standing height throughout the trailer, paired with a modern, residential style that feels like a home on wheels. With 6 different layouts available in the Novaline series, there's truly something for every traveler. But the 495 model, the second largest in the lineup, is our focused star today. Engineered to comfortably sleep up to 4 people with a smart mix of fixed beds and convertible spaces. Exterior design. Modern elegance meets practical innovation. One of the first things you'll notice about the Novaline 495 is just how much Eriba has modernized the exterior. Gone is the retro style of old, replaced by a clean, elegant design with fresh new graphics, a newly shaped front end, and modern LED taillights. Take the door for example. It's not just a door, it's a multifunctional feature. While the bug screen is optional, the door's textile cover comes standard, supported by a stylish railing system that lets you hang potted plants, your tablet, clothes, or even a trash can. It's storage with style, a small detail with big benefits. Other exterior options include a bike rack, awning, and even an innovative connectivity option through the Eriba Connect app, which keeps your trailer smart and ready for the modern road trip. Interior space, luxury and functionality without compromise. Step inside the Eriba Novaline 495 and prepare to be impressed. With 1.98 meters, or about 6.5 feet of standing height throughout, it's rare to find this much headroom in a compact travel trailer. The combination of large windows and extra glazing creates a bright and welcoming atmosphere that makes the space feel airy and open. At the front, you'll find the dinette, a cozy spot bathed in natural light from a large skylight above. This space isn't just for dining. It cleverly converts into a double bed, perfect for those extra guests or family members. Storage is never an afterthought here. The wraparound cabinets with soft close hinges, lipped shelves, and clever underseat storage keep everything neat and accessible. One of the dinette benches even cleverly houses the Vario Heat EcoSpace heater, combining comfort with practicality. The kitchen, compact but complete. The kitchen is a clean and functional single-block design, featuring a sink and 2 burner cooktop, both cleverly concealed under covers for a sleek look when not in use. A flip-up counter extension adds valuable prep space, essential when cooking on the road. Across from the kitchen is a 145-liter tower fridge and freezer, providing plenty of cool storage for those groceries or leftovers to keep your trip going longer without the need to resupply constantly. sleeping quarters. Cozy and convenient. Moving to the back, you'll find two fixed twin beds designed with comfort and convenience in mind. These aren't just beds. They're surrounded by windows for plenty of natural light, and overhead cabinets add more storage options. In between the beds is a small but functional nightstand, which hides an extendable slat system that converts the two singles into one large bed, ideal for couples or those who want a little extra sleeping space. Access to storage under each bed is made easy through external flaps on the body, perfect for storing bulky gear like camping chairs or sports equipment. Bathroom overview. What works and what could improve? Now, let's talk about the bathroom, the one area where the Novaline495 feels a little less spacious, mainly due to positioning over the wheel well. The bathroom comes equipped with a bench toilet, a compact sink, and additional overhead cabinets to maximize storage, all designed to blend seamlessly with the trailer's elegant interior. However, the shower area is quite compact and might not be comfortable enough for daily use on longer trips. Water splashing can be an issue here, which limits its practicality somewhat. That said, for short weekend getaways, or if you prefer a half-bath setup, this space works perfectly. Construction and chassis. Built to last. Quality construction is a hallmark of Eriba's design ethos, and the Novaline495 is no exception. It rides on a single axle, braked Alco chassis which offers stability and reliable towing. The walls, floor, and ceiling feature PUAL construction, a special process that makes the structure both durable and robust, with excellent thermal insulation, ready for all seasons. Technical specs and weight considerations. Let's break down the numbers. The total length is 7.14 meters, or roughly 23.4 feet, of which the build is 5.98 meters, or 19.6 feet. It's 2.23 meters wide, that's 7.3 feet, and offers 1.98 meters of headroom inside. The maximum permissible weight is 1,500 kilograms, or about 3,307 pounds, making it relatively lightweight for its size. Freshwater capacity is 45 liters, with optional add-ons including a 20-liter rollable wastewater tank and a 10-liter water boiler if you want that shower running warm. Optional extras that elevate the experience. Eriba gives you plenty of options to make the 495 your perfect travel companion. You can add a bike rack for outdoor adventures, an awning for shady outdoor lounging, or pick the optional bug screen for that innovative door. For those who love tech, the Eriba Connect app comes standard, allowing you to control certain trailer functions straight from your phone. A small, but very modern touch. Pricing and value. Pricing for the Eriba Novaline495 starts at $31,490, which is around $3,600 USD at current exchange rates. Considering the quality, design, and features, it's a competitive price for a compact, elegant travel trailer that delivers comfort and style for families on the move. Final thoughts. Who is this trailer for? So, who should consider the Eriba Novaline495? If you want a travel trailer designed with the latest in compact luxury, that feels like home. With plenty of natural light, smart storage, and a touch of sophistication, this one shines especially for families or couples who love to travel light but with style. It's not the largest trailer out there, and the shower space might not satisfy everyone, but it nails space efficiency, build quality, and practical elegance that's hard to beat. The space miracle. Indeed. Thanks for exploring the 2026 Eriba Novaline 495 with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more inside looks at the coolest RVs and travel trailers on the market. Drop your questions or trailer stories in the comments below.